Hey guys, Kyle the e-commerce bartender here, and today we're going to go over the third and final product research technique, Amazon.com's website. Yes, the one that you purchase goods every day for you and your family. This can be used to find private label products. Let's go ahead and look into it real quick. I'm going to show you guys how I do this. So as you can see, I'm just right at the search bar right here. And to be honest, I always start at the top left of the keyboard and just put Q. And I'm going to look to see if I could see anything interesting like quilting rulers. That's kind of interesting. Quilting supplies, just like that. But I actually already found one. So I went to W, still didn't really see anything here that I liked, and then I got to E. And once I got to E, I saw elastic bands for sewing. That's something so out there that I was like, you know what, I'm going to click on this, which I did. And as you can see popping up, I start noticing them. They're elastic bands for the masks. As we know, COVID's going on right now, and it's wreaking havoc on everything. But I'm going to show you here, during times like this, there is opportunity to make money. As you can also see, there's a lot of people selling this item, but as you also can see, there's not a lot of reviews here. So I want to run the data on it. So I'm going to hit my X-ray. You guys know the Helium 10 software, of course, the heart and soul of our business. All right, let's run it. Okay, I'm going to scroll over because I want to see the sales and see what everybody's selling. Over. All right, so let's get the revenue sorted real quick. Holy smokes. All right, so $400,000 in revenue is the top guy. And it looks like all these are the product that we would be selling. So that's pretty nuts right now. So let's go ahead and look at the review counts. So the review counts, there's some that are low that are still selling a ton. This is just nuts. Supply and demand right there in a nutshell. But let's go ahead and look around real quick. What I was thinking about this is people are going to be buying this probably throughout this year. It's definitely going to be saturated. I guarantee you people are just flocking to this right now. So it's probably a little too late to start. But if I were to do something like this, I'd be looking for variations, which actually this guy who I clicked on is doing. See, something like this is great. This is why this guy's probably selling a ton right now. He has all these different colors, which people are definitely going to want to get away from the white mass, and have something new and something colorful. So this was a really good job. But as you can see, guys, look at this listing. These bullet points aren't beefed up. There's no keywords in there, and this guy's still killing it. His evaluation results 6.51 out of 10. It just goes to show you that you can make money off this if you do hit the market right. And you also do your due diligence and product research. Like before, I would go ahead and take this to Alibaba and try to find some suppliers, maybe with some variations to get into this market. But as I said before, this is probably way too saturated, so you guys should stay away from this. That's probably going to sum it up for today. Just to let you guys know, that's the last day for product research techniques. So the next video is going to be talking about Alibaba, and I already have a product picked out that we're going to source through Alibaba to find suppliers. It's actually a product that I did the first time and I had to quit. It was actually the one that was very harmful to people that I had to toss away and start all the way over again from square one. Luckily, I only lost like 60 to 80 bucks because I only ordered samples, but I was just days away from dumping $4,000 into this. It would have been a massive mistake. It would have put me back months. Luckily, I caught it, but it's also funny. I had a YouTuber I went and consulted with, and he actually texted me too and warned me, which was pretty cool. But actually, I cut it a couple days earlier, so it was just kind of funny. But that's going to end the video today. Get ready for that video tomorrow about Alibaba and sourcing suppliers. You guys have a great day and take care.